Welcome to the Prosolar Guide to registering your SEAI account. Let's get started. The SEAI application portal is open. Please use the link and click register. Next, you'll select from the drop-down domestic user type and enter your email address. We've used one here as an example, but please use your own personal email. Then you'll need to enter a password and the same password again to confirm, and then click register. Please note the following criteria for passwords. They must be at least 8 characters long, have at least one special character, such as a £, or euro, must have at least one digit from 0 to 9, at least one uppercase or capital A to Z letter. Passwords must include characters from at least 3 of the 4 following classes: uppercase, lowercase, digit, non-alphanumeric, that's special. Please keep your password in a safe place as you will need it to access your grant application later. You'll then go through to your portal to provide some personal information. It's important to note that you need to fill in this information before clicking the confirm email button. First, let's go with your first name and last name. Select a title from the drop-down. Check your email address is correct and then enter a mobile phone number. You can select a preferred contact method for surveys, email or text message, and scroll down and click confirm email. Check your spam, you'll get an email, then you can click complete registration and then sign back into the SEAI website with your email address and password you just created. Click sign in. You'll receive this notification. Please accept to continue. Now, we're through to the My Application section. Please follow the next steps for further guidance support.